This is the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max. I've got it in the natural titanium color, and I picked up the 512 gig capacity model. I'm coming from an iPhone 13 Pro with 512 gigs, so I didn't want to jump down in size. And here it is. This is the natural titanium. Now, if you haven't seen this color in person, I'm going to show it to you up close in just a moment. I'll talk a little bit more about the color and how it shifts in different light. But what else do you get in the box? Quite simply, you get a braided USB-C cable. It's USB-C on both ends. And then we get an insert that has an Apple sticker and a bit of a pull-out card here with some information on it. Now, here is the phone itself. Of course, it's made out of titanium, and this is the natural titanium color. Depending on the light that it's under, it can look gray, it can look silver, it can even take on a little bit of a hint of gold. Not too heavy, in my opinion. I kind of make the joke a lot that it reminds me of, if you ever watch The Mandalorian, Beskar armor, because to me, that's kind of the color that it looks at times. So I think it's a really cool looking color in person. I encourage you go check it out at the Apple Store if you're still on the fence about the color choices. But there it is. So that's my quick, super fast unboxing of it. Stay tuned to the channel for even more videos, cases, accessories, and video game content as well. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you next time. Take care.